So this is the final look. Oh my god, my forehead looks huge. Hold on, let me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I did a curly ponytail, so I'm just going to show you how I did that. I start with a spray bottle full of water and I'm going to drench my hair really well. And once I have it damp enough, I'm going to detangle it with the brush. At this point in the video, I couldn't decide how I wanted to do my hair. So I'm just deciding which different ways I can wear it. If I want to do half up, half down, or like a full ponytail. But as you know, I did a full ponytail. So to achieve the ponytail, I'm using Eco Styling Gel and a hard bristle brush. And then here I was trying to do like a messy ponytail at first, but I couldn't get it as messy as I wanted it. And I was playing around with my baby hairs because I just never played around with them before. That's it for this video. Once you have the ponytail in your hair, I just, fluff it out. You can add some water, conditioner, curl cream, whatever you do. But I didn't add anything. Thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So this is the final look. Oh my god, my forehead looks huge. Hold on, let me. I decided not to go with the baby hairs, but I think I do need them out, because honey, the forehead, that just threw me off. Okay, it's not that bad. I'm on Snapchat at xoxo. Thank you for watching. Like this video, follow me online. My forehead looks huge. Maybe it's the angle. Oh Jesus, that's even worse. What in the world? Okay, bye.